4.3 solving proportionate. I can prove ratios are proportionate.
Excellent. So we're trying to prove whether or not ratios are proportionate or solving for missing numbers in proportions. A proportion is two what, you guys?
Equal ratios.
They're two equal ratios. In other words, I'm saying that they are two equal fractions. Good. Bubble method. We now can also use arrows as part of our bubble method, right?
Yes.
Same thing. If you have two fractions, and I ask you to prove whether or not they are proportionate, what are you trying to find? If you find a common denominator, you just are going to compare numerators then, right? So, two fractions, two ratios. Try to whether or not to prove their proportion. You find common denominators, okay? That's going to be part of your assignment, as you saw. Number 3. Bubbles to find missing numbers in proportions. Sorry, guys. So here we go. Step 1. Draw your arrow, right?
Yeah.
Where are we trying to go from? We know 8 and we know 16, right?
Yes.
We're trying to go from 8 to 16, yes or no?
Yes.
Can you?
Yes.
How?
Yes.
So what do I do to the top then? Done, right? B. Where am I trying to go from and to? Marin, where am I trying to go from and to? We're trying to go from 2 to 4, right? Okay. Can we easily go from 2 to 4, you guys?
Yes.
What do you multiply by? Oh my God, this is so easy. So multiply by 2, multiply by 2, you get 10 done, right? Okay. C. Is it super simple to go from 2 to 7?
No.
So because we don't have friendly numbers, we automatically think we should try to
Reduce.
And when we reduce, we got 3 over 1, right?
Yes.
Now is it easy to go from 1 to 7?
Yes.
Because we multiplied by what?
7.
Oh my God, good deal. D. We want to go from 16 to 12. Are they friendly? No. What do you do?
Reduce.
So we reduce and we try to go from 8 to 12. Are they friendly?
No.
No, but we could still reduce, can't we? So we reduce down to 3 over 2. Can we go from 2 to 12?
Yeah.
How do you go from 2 to 12?
6.
So what do you multiply the top by?
6.
There you go, your answer. Okay, so friendly numbers, if they're not friendly, reduce and you're good to go, yes?
Yes.
Number 4, though, we got into a situation where, I'm going to come back to number 6. We got into a situation where going from 10 to 8 is not simple, is it?
No.
So we tried to reduce, right?
Yeah.
Can you reduce 10 sevenths?
No.
So what we said then is if we can't reduce 10 sevenths, we then just got to try to get from 10 to 8. And to go from 10 to 8, we are going to multiply by some sort of number. So we said, okay, what's 10 times 1? 10. So if 10 times 1 is 10 and we want to get to 8, we're going to multiply by a number that is what compared to 1?
Smaller.
Smaller. Okay, so we're going to actually use the number 10 and the number 8 to figure out what that number is. So we popped out our calculators and we took 10 and we divided by 8 and we got that. Is that smaller than 1?
No.
No, so what did I do wrong? I reversed the numbers. I shouldn't be doing 10 divided by 8. I should be doing 8 divided by
10.
And what do I get? So 8 tenths, right? So that works because I know to get from 10 to 8 I have to multiply by a smaller number. I got 8 tenths. So I multiplied the bottom by 8 tenths. And that's where I got my 5 6/10 from. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to try to speed this up a little bit. Number 8, 36 to 24. Is it friendly? Are they friendly?
No.
So what do we do? Are these friendly?
Yeah.
18 to 24 is friendly?
No.
No, so what do we keep doing? So we got 6 and 24. Are they friendly?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. Number 9 and number 10. We found numbers that were not friendly and we couldn't reduce. So going from 10 to 6 is not easy. We can't reduce either. So we use 10 and 6 in the calculator to figure out what we're going to multiply by. To go from 10 to 6, should we multiply by a number bigger than 1 or less than 1? If you're still stuck or if you still need help, we actually went through all of the steps to help you solve this right here. Questions?